Hey there, in this video tutorial we will learn how to make use of the single quiz result settings shortcode. By using this shortcode you can display all results of the particular quiz on the front end. All you need to do is to copy the shortcode and paste it to your desired post or a page. Let us speak about two important features of this shortcode. The first one is the Show to Guests to option. I want to mention that by default the shortcode and the table columns are displayed for only the logged in users. By taking this shortcode you can display the table to the guests as well. Please note that even if you enable to show the shortcode to guests as well, the table will include the information of only the logged in users. Also, let us speak about table columns a little bit. Besides the available table columns, you can also add your preferred ones with the help of the custom fields of the plugin. To find the custom fields of the plugin, we need to go to the custom fields page. Here it is. And either choose one of the custom fields or create a new one by clicking on the Add New button. For our case, we will choose the Font Custom field. And here we can see the Show Custom field on your shortcodes option. It is already ticked and all results and user page shortcodes already have the Font Custom field as a table column. In order to display this custom field for the single quiz results shortcode as well, we need to tick this. And of course, save the changes. So by going to the General Settings page, Single Quiz Results Settings shortcode, you will see the custom field added as a table column for this shortcode. So if you want to display it, we just need to tick the table column and of course save the changes. In order to see the table on the front end, we just need to copy the shortcode. Then go to the post page and add a new post. Then paste the shortcode here and add a title for the post. Let it be single quiz results. Then, as we mentioned, we need to change your quiz ID with the corresponding quiz ID. Let it be 56. And we publish the post. So here is the table displayed on the front end. This table shows the data, the results of the particular quiz. Here you can see the name, username, start and end date, duration, score, and the font we have added as a custom field for the table column. Please note that we can filter the table columns by clicking on these symbols. For now, you can see that the results, the table columns are filtered by the username. For example, we can filter the table columns by the score by clicking here. As you can see, we have filtered the table columns by the score. That means the lowest score is displayed at first, then comes the highest score here. For example, 100%. Also, you can decide how many entries to display. For example, you can display 25 entries and many more. So we are done with the single quiz results settings shortcode. See you in the next video tutorial.